There are many types of file formats that you will encounter when 3D printing. Here are the most common. STL, an acronym for stereolithography, is the most common file created from CAD programs. 3MF is quickly becoming the industry standard format as it not only contains the 3D data, but printer profiles and print settings. OBJ is another file type similar to STL, but can contain color and texture data. Step file, which are generally used between CAD programs, can also be directly used with Bambu Studio. SVG is a graphics vector image file that is 2D with the ability to turn 3D in Bambu Studio. There are several ways files can be imported. Very simply, a file can be drag and drop from your desktop or window. Another way is to use the Add button above the build plate in the Prepare tab. You can also go to File, Import. The most notable and fun way is to import in directly from MakerWorld. Occasionally when importing 3D models, there are some issues that may occur. A common one is the orientation of your model is incorrect or not ideal for 3D printing with overhangs. To adjust, you can use the Rotate tool that gives you precise control. The easiest is the Lay on Face tool that finds flat surfaces and one click to position it on the plate. When importing multiple objects that were not intended to be imported in together, often get stacked together. The Arrange Objects tool helps in spreading out all the parts. A manual approach is to use the Move tool to adjust positions. Another common issue or need is to adjust and scale the file to the appropriate size. To adjust, we use the Scale tool that can be used uniformly or push-pull on an axis. In the next video, we will dive deeper into tips of common printing issues, how to solve for oversized printing, best optimized orientations for your prints.